Alright, so we are here at the latest project, 500 Pacific Avenue in Waukegan. You can see, kind of put you in context as far as the rest of the neighborhood where we are. It's a really nice neighborhood. This is definitely the ugly house on the block. So, right off the bat, I'll start talking about the framing that we've done. So here, there used to be a little entryway into the dining room, and then the kitchen's right there. But we just decided to open it up with this big header. So this is gonna look really nice. This here used to be a closet. There are closets. There's two closets here. We decided to make this into the hallway because it was more practical because before you used to have to go through this room in order to get to the garage, and that was a little weird.
And the sunroom right there.
Right, and the
sunroom. Through the sunroom,
Yeah, so that was a little weird, and we really wanted this place to be truly a two-bedroom house, or two-bedroom apartment. So the framing for all of that is done. As you can see there.
New ductwork everywhere. You can see it there.
In this place here, we also built a closet, because the closets that were here in this hallway were. One of these closets was facing this room, because it belonged to that room. So we eliminated a closet, so we had to add a closet here. So you can see there, looks pretty good.
You want to check out the sunroom over here?
Sunroom looks nice. So here we're gonna put in just one window and then a patio door here. Just to make this area accessible, even though it's not that big of an area, but I think it would make for a nice little nook, like a reading nook or something.
A little sun.
Yeah, just especially in the summertime, you'd be able to spread yourself in this area here. So let's see here. All the plumbing is done. We're also waiting for the electrician to come through. He just had surgery earlier this week, so he's out of commission for another few days before he's able to come back. I think it was something light, but the plumbing's done. We were just discussing about the floor. Tell them about the floor, Rebecca.
Well, this floor, when we first came through, we were like, this is really nice. This like beehive kind of hexagon look is really nice. Which is why we haven't demoed it yet, and we haven't demoed the tub yet. But we were just talking about how, we've never really been able to get a clear picture of like, are there scratches? Is it in pristine condition? It looks really good, but the last thing we want is to do this complete and total rehab, and then have some floors that are 60 years old and have that vintage look, but if it's not a good look, then we might end up regretting keeping them. So we might now get rid of those floors there. Yeah.
The other thing here is we decided to eliminate the shared laundry room, and so we made this closet, which is also another linen closet, into the laundry room. So this is gonna have a stacked unit, washing machine and dryer. So that'll be nice. And we've actually run into issues renting. People don't like sharing when there's a shared laundry. They don't like sharing. So
this is the kitchen. The kitchen used to feel very small. We'll send you the pictures of the before, but now it's going to be a nice open U. And that right there. Let me see where I'm pointing. That used to go into like this little shared common area for, each apartment, but we closed that off. And the kitchen's gonna be like a complete U, so there won't be a break to get into that laundry room. The reason we can do that is because every unit has to have two entrances, or well, like an exit and an entrance, and so because of the garage, we can use, we don't need that extra exit. Let's end it, and then we'll do another